What's up guys, this is Joshua Rowanto and this is week 3 of my ACL journey. Short background lang, last July 23, 2022 habang naglalaro ako ng basketball at tatalon ako para kumuha ng rebound, bigla akong may naramdaman na nagpop sa kaliwang tuhod ko. Then after a month, nagpa-MRI ako and tama nga yung hinala ko, naputol yung ACL ko. March 4, 2024, nireconstruct na yung ACL ko and sa ngayon I'm still working on my knee flexion, leg extension, and quad strength. So week 0 nun, pahinga muna. Wala pa exercise nun, puro cold compress lang tsaka elevation. Then after a week, yun na yung week 1, nag-start na ako sa PT center and ginawa ko na yung mga exercises na binigay sa akin nung PT to strengthen yung aking ankles, yung aking hips, tsaka yung aking quads. Until now, ginagawa ko pa rin yung mga exercises na yon. And after a week, nakakalakad na ako without crutches o yung saklay. And after 2 weeks, nakakalakad na ako without the immobilizer. And hopefully at the end of week 3, mag-improve na yung single leg balance ko. And by the end of week 4, makabalik na ako sa normal walking. So ayun lang. That's all for today and follow me until you see me play.